Well, it's the next day. I'm tired. She's getting ready to open up and storm. But we're done. We have got all the liner steel on the outside put up, all the trims done, and it looks great. Huge shout out to Tarzan. He really pulled through, but we got her done. Overhangs look amazing. Everything just added up. And surprisingly, everything's super square. I don't know how, but it is super square. Maybe it has something to do with like building on top of the containers, but even the nailers for all the steel and bracing, everything turned out great. I don't think I could make that happen again if I tried really, really hard even, but I'm happy. It's gonna be cool. Window trim, everything looked out great there. Loved it. Containers, everything's mounted now, everything's fastened. Back wall, we started X-bracing trusses, but it looks good. Cleanup day. Cleanup day. Gonna be cool. Now this winter, I might liner steel the ceiling. Be really nice to have that done so the birds stay out. And then next year, we're gonna frame in. I'm probably gonna pour a concrete footer and set a wall, and then have garage doors on this side. So the way the driveway is, this would be a bay, and then this would be a bay. We'll see how much a 20-some foot garage door costs. That would be nice, because then I can back everything in, and then along this shipping container, storage, workbenches, whatever I need. Kind of cool stuff to come over here. Got a plan for the upper deck here to frame that in. Turn that into a kid's playroom, fort, something. And then back storage for the wife up there, so it's all enclosed. But yeah, that's a different time, because I'm tired. And that took a lot of work. It took us 1 week to get everything steeled. 2 guys, plus working full-time jobs, so it just took a lot of time. Well, now that second crop's all finished up, we are now going to get this back wall framed in and started sheeting steel. So I'm just getting everything measured, cut, and we're going to go to town. I think Tarzan's coming. Maybe not. He might have got distracted. But we're getting her, one way or another. These are what we're putting in, because we're going to go over here with our FJ so we can get our soffit in here, and then I can start my wall. So I got to put all these in. Tedious. I mean, might as well small square. It's got to be just as painful. All right, come on, come with me now. Oh, it's 5:30 a.m. I doing a little bit of chores, but recap on yesterday. The Tarzan and I, when we went to town on this building. Holy cow. Tarzan's the man. And that drip edge or rain guard or rat guard on the bottom, we had it molded really well so it fits tight against the shipping container so rain doesn't splash up underneath as it drips through. So it's incredible. It worked out so well. I would have never guessed this, my design on the fly engineering when needed would have worked out so good. Here's our back wall. We were one sheet short. That's going to be ready this morning. So we'll get that so we can finish this up too. And Tarzan's going to take his time, he said, on top. That's one of those jobs where you just take your time. So he's going to do that after we get the back wall done. I have to go on the other side and put up a nailer for the FJ so we can get that installed. So not a super action-packed day, but it's still, that doesn't help. I'm already tired. Grind and grind. Yeah, it worked out really good. The front will be the last piece we do. Yep. Because that's the side I'm going to be working on.
93.5.
$45 and a half. Batteries aren't that old. Why isn't? Well, try it. Should we check the oil?
Yeah. It's got oil on.
Yeah, we got terminal issue. Yeah, 1 sec here. We're gonna start one more. Are they normally that big?
Yeah. Big old cannons on there. Ready? Ready?
Yep. Hold on. Go for it. Oh! Yeah, I need that ether. Okay, hit her again. Yep. No.